What if I told you trillions of dollars are about to change hands and most people have no idea it's happening?
It's called the Great Wealth Transfer, the biggest movement of money in modern history. We're talking about roughly $84 trillion. Some estimates go well over $100 trillion, moving from one generation to the next. Sounds exciting, right? But here's the scary part. Most people aren't actually ready for the money headed their way. Good news, by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to prepare, whether you're inheriting money or building your own. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is this wealth transfer and why is it happening right now? Right now, parents and grandparents, mostly from the baby boomer generation, are passing down homes, savings, and investments to their children and grandchildren. Experts estimate tens of trillions of dollars will move between generations over the next 20 years, and some studies say it could be even larger. This wealth isn't just cash, it's houses, retirement funds, stocks, and even family businesses. The people receiving it? Mostly Gen X and millennials right now, with Gen Z next in line. That could easily include you. Why now? Because the generation holding most of this wealth is getting older, and time changes everything. But here's the catch. Money without a plan has a way of slipping right through your fingers. For a second, this can feel like winning the lottery. Free money just waiting for you. Let's turn the page and look honestly at the problems this wealth transfer can create. Surveys show most people don't feel confident handling a sudden windfall, even if they're excited to receive it. Suddenly, there are tax forms, investment choices, and legal terms nobody ever taught us in school. In fact, advisors often say family disagreements, not taxes, not bad investments, are the biggest threat to keeping wealth together. Without a plan, sudden money often disappears fast, spent on things that feel good in the moment but don't build a future. This is called lifestyle inflation, spending more just because more money showed up, until it's suddenly all gone again. Here's a problem on the other side, too. Most people keep putting off writing a will or making a real plan. We tell ourselves we'll deal with it later, but later has a way of never actually arriving. Then taxes and legal paperwork show up, and what should feel like a gift starts to feel like a burden. One confusing letter from a lawyer or a tax office can undo weeks of excitement in seconds. It's also worth knowing this transfer isn't spread out evenly. A large share of it is concentrated among a relatively small number of wealthy families. So if you're not expecting a big inheritance, you might feel left out of this whole story. There's also a darker side. Scammers specifically target people who are expecting money, especially older adults. And we can't forget, this money often comes wrapped in grief, which makes clear thinking even harder. But here's the truth. None of this has to control you. Every one of these problems has a solution. Let's talk about exactly how to prepare, whether you're receiving money or building your own from scratch. Step 1 is simple. Learn the basics of money now, before any windfall ever arrives. That means understanding budgeting, saving, and investing, the skills that make any amount of money actually work for you. Step 2. Talk openly with your family about money, plans, and expectations, long before anything actually happens. Honest conversations now can prevent painful conflicts later. Silence is often more costly than money itself. Step 3. Get a will or estate plan in place, no matter your age or how much you own. Small steps count too. Updating beneficiaries and account details is easier than most people think. Step 4. If money does arrive suddenly, pause before spending. Give yourself time to think clearly. Talking to a trusted financial advisor before making big decisions can save you from costly mistakes. Step 5. Invest what you have, even a small amount. Growth takes time, but time is the most powerful tool you own. This is the quiet magic of compound growth. Small amounts given enough time can grow into something remarkable. Step 6. Don't wait to inherit wealth. Start building your own wealth transfer for the people who come after you. It's not about one big lucky check. It's about small, steady choices repeated over years. Step 7. Pass down knowledge, not just money. Teaching the next generation about finances can break old cycles for good. Every family has old habits around money. The good news is any one of us can be the one who changes them. Preparation is what turns this massive wealth transfer from a risk into a real opportunity.
Remember, you don't need millions falling from the sky to build a strong financial future.
Whether you're waiting on an inheritance or building your own from zero, the best time to start is today. Learn the basics, talk to your family, make a plan, invest early, and pass on what you know. That's really all it takes. The great wealth transfer is coming, one way or another. Let's make sure it leaves you stronger, not lost.
If this helped you see money differently, subscribe, drop a comment about your biggest takeaway, and share it with someone who needs to hear it too.